wait, calm down now. No, they laugh this witchcraft laugh. What's wrong about you? Just calm down. Calm down. Now, some people, they worried on Friday. In fact, since last week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. My one let person hear word. Say Friday they come, Friday they come, Friday they come. I cannot wait for the weekend. As it be like this now, the same my one now, it don't go over groove for weekend. And now the body, he have cashing her. As it be like this now, the same marijuana, she cannot attend to sit down on her PADI PADI seat. So I have to import my regular concubine for today. You understand what I'm saying? You know?
I want you may not call me concubine before the show starts.
Whenever show a picture, now her mouth they rush where. She they do.
How you go they call me concubine?
Wait first. Now make I introduce you properly. Now you say they do any house or that. Calm down. What's wrong about you like this? All these girls with my water infect finish. Una welcome to PADI PADI show on top of Monday morning and everybody. How now we can take my own sweet bellyful. You understand me? But my own entire. So today I'm here with my concubine, the one, the only. You call him Olive and Mordi. Olive, how are you? How are you?
Have you talked now?
Calm down now. Yeah, talk.
First and foremost, I not be concubine. But you know what's going to make me calm down? Because the real chic and the side chic, the difference is not too far. You understand? Because if you, as a real chic, you are slacking somebody, before you know, the side chic will take over. My name is Olive, as you don't tell now. And I'm here and I'm going to run the PADI PADI things today. We're not go anywhere. We get many I'm about to give you.
All right, on top of the level. So for now, to always do we'll first match. But now show me first. What's wrong with you? Not to want to look her face too much.
I'll be fine again. I know my fault. Please, what can I do?
You know, it's now my personality was savage. That should be, you know.
You made the rating was savage, cash you.
They know. All right. So quickly we'll go for this break, and by the time we come back, we'll enter yarn the yarn. From there, do every other thing on top of the whole level. Mona hear what Yanya talk this morning. When they come back. Still on PADI PADI things.
Don't go nowhere. In case they don't know, that video I just watch. Now this very guy back in the days with his grandma.
Who's very guy?
Now you and your grandma did. Why they deny your grandma?
You see, now there you just mess up because my grandma from two sides, from my papa side, my mama side, they don't buy. They don't even dig again.
Hey, that's why they use your mouth to they kill your grandparents.
They don't die. You know, you want to resurrect them. When they worry you. But which kind of grandchildren go they put this mama through this kind of wahala? When I don't see your own mama to carry and go studio, carry my
grandma.
Maybe the woman don't get musical dreams since. Because at least before he die, make him at least achieve his purpose for life.
After all, when me say this, we get one man with in my class. The man is 72-year-old man, and I don't follow on that lie. 72-year-old papa. Those who follow me go school no say this thing what they talk not true.
But if you say my grandma they are alive now, they watch this thing. Hey, if you see the woman, hey, I tell you, brother, say I feel do this thing. Not be my mates, be this one now. Not be my mates. I don't know. Because they do anything, I don't want to make I fulfill my purpose. Amadio. But, well, no matter how you tell old rich, if you still achieve your purpose for life, so you are never too old for the whole thing.
Yes, never too old for anything. Just like now, Ogbolo, don't they like this way not get sense. You are never too old not to have sense, Ogbolo.
Yeah. No, I mean, I agree because if you get sense for this country, you know make money. So that person will not just get sense, now you just make money. All right, more enter yarn the yarn.
All right, on top of yarn the yarn where we get for today, our first story where we get now about our own Oga, where they call two Baba no lele. The old way say wake up for morning, you stretch your feet. You do thank you prayer, you brush your teeth, you come out in no bath.
Yes, so why not correct her now?
You not correct her.
You say not do the remix of that same song.
Now lie, the former one I take, you not bath.
No, you don't the bath. Now that time you don't get money now, so no need for bathing. Now hustler. Now you don't make the money, you bathing now.
Okay, now on top of this matter today, Two-Face talk say in want make them introduce pidgin English, enter with dictionary, enter with school curriculum. Now we say the way your children they do maths, English, social studies, biology. Wait, biology in a secondary school, ba?
Yeah, secondary school now. Okay, so two Baba.
Come on, two Baba.
All right, so make we play the video, make we see things.
Somebody in school, they are teaching chemistry. They said dilution. Dilution is English word. The person never study English. Then they tell us say dilution for chemistry. It goes not as it will be. You know, so the curriculum has to be really cross-checked. So like for me, if they can gather some linguistics professors and let them package PG English properly from Nigeria, let's create comma, full stop, past tense, present tense inside PG. Let it be official. Let them just create it.
Two Baba! Two Baba!
Don't let me talk when I don't see that two-face talk.
Yes, sir!
You agree? You support them?
Yeah? Why open television station where be pidgin English?
If to say na me, make them swap, make them come on mathematics, make them put that pidgin. You know say na if na I get for maths.
I know. Say some people just did, you know, they just fine. They don't just get.
But imagine as the thing go be, just see Wole Soyinka. Wole Soyinka just come outside, call the young pidgin.
You go talk am now.
I don't believe them of his people.
You get the event where the semi of us go one time. We can interview them for red carpet. Now, pidgin English everybody not now.
We
they speak and people just form nonsense.
All those girls they form like say they not sabi match ground. Wanna go learn pidgin.
Yeah, but you know, girls like them, you know.
I know they form. I know they not be the pidgin they speak.
Okay. Don't do. Can I call force you call you can't do this one now? What say don't tell people for them for worry or say.
I don't tell them they wash me now they do. All they are post and co. Okay,
now. Back to for we country here. It is good say make young people that they come out. They can't do things that when they put Nigeria for the right side for the map. Because many times they know us for some kind of things that we're not too good. But at least some of our small people them, our entertainers they try, and our small people them we sabi book. They don't also put Nigeria for some kind of place for the world map. Now this particular girl, Kpakpando Akeze, maybe 15 years old high school students from Lagos, Nigeria. If you remember some time back, they say some kind of word spread around about some group of girls from inside Nigeria we design urine power generator. Now be say they design one kind of machine like that. We go to transform waste to something we they will fit use to do better things. So she don't come out now. They talk many things. They even carry and go World Economic Forum for Davos, where she tell leaders themselves, say make them step up their game when it comes to investment for inside education. They ask her plenty question, though. They ask the Smalley, will be 15 years old, or 15 years old. Say, what does she feel about the whole thing? She say so far, say she don't learn, say nothing ever feed day for waste for this country. Say nothing day for waste. Say if you feel look the other way, say if you transform waste into something where the country go feel use for better things. Things them like banana peels themselves. Different kind of waste, if you transform them into things them where the country go fit need and use. And she can't talk say they ask her say why she believes education is important for this country. She can say because education is important to open ideas, to make the world a better place, both economically and developmentally. All right, maybe we just play this small video, make una for get ginger on top of the whole thing to understand everything what they talk. So.
I'm from the Rigos Private Academy, Ipaja, Lagos, in Nigeria, and I'm 14 years old. In my school, we believe using waste objects or waste products to produce energy. So normally we get a team of intelligent people that think of waste products or something that other people think is impossible or something that people think is useless. We turn it into something that is going to help the world.
All right, when I don't hear her, she talks say all those waste things will fit help the world. But they emphasize on education, especially for the female child them. You understand? She said because for this country, things like violence, things like terrorism, this value, now they don't to look at education. All those don't spoil education for this country. Say I beg, may they encourage girls to do sciences. All the female picking them, may they encourage them.
What do you do when you're 15 years? Now your mates now do this kind of thing.
Well, which one be my mates? But but very importantly, I think say what this girl they do make too much brain. You understand? Not every time you just come here, they laugh. It's very important. Say we must pass this information, give everybody. All right. So on top of the level, Adezi. Kpakpando, but that her name,
when I first see the picture, I can't ask now Adezi with this.
No, because the girl be like boy.
The girl be like boy, one kind.
Akaize. Kpakpando. It remind me of that play they play.
Kpakpangolo. We'll go break. We'll go play small Kpakpangolo.
Yeah, no, you don't want to play Kpakpangolo. I don't play Kpakpangolo, you understand what I'm saying?
After the show, you come back.
Yeah, so when they come back, now you understand. Concubine things. Yeah. I know you are wrong.
Oh, we don't come back. Hey, on our welcome. I enjoyed the break. During the break, when me and this guy go play Pakwangolo. Now, on to our next yarn with one yarn. The person I want to talk about, a very, very important person with the precious to me. He sing one song what I like. A special dedication to all the ladies out there. Listen and be blessed. Yeah, West, all I want is yeah, West. Figurato. I guess when I don't know, say, no, they do like that, not fit you.
No, because the guy
ain't
if you see Yanya, muzzle.
Oh boy.
He be like, okay, Jerry can they climb step.
Una don't go on the Jamaican market before.
Oh.
All those boys say they'll carry wheelbarrow, they do. Uzo.
Yeah, he be like, I don't know, he be like, you know, say when gorilla stand.
I'm not John, you cause
Don't forget it, I'm
not John, you cause Samo.
Yeah, I be like this now. I say, come short, come thick.
You short, so, thick. You still get money pass you. Back to the issue where they talk now, they come
we go still get to.
Amen.
This one you dey follow me now, never get. But by the time I can't get now, you go dey
whatever. They go ask Yanya, say which kind of woman in go like marry. He talk say go like marry good woman. Say people they think say now until you go church for you go see get away good, but no be so. Say him, they look say now person where you don't know before you become celebrity, now be the best person to marry. Like now, you. Anyway, I don't become celebrity, so I'm not going to marry you. Back to the next question. They come ask and say, after Yvonne Nelson, say you go like marry another person will be celeb. He say, no. Say you no want marry you go be celeb. But say, you not just get that kind of drama. Everything where you do, they'll carry and put on for news. They come ask and say, as it don't big, so it don't blow. It don't be big boys. They come ask and say whether it don't change. Say people believe, say, because it don't be celeb, it don't change. Because they talk say no. So all those people they talk say it don't change. Maybe say they can't live in life for 1 week. Say if you exchange life with them for 1 week, after 3 days, they'll talk say I better carry your life. They go. Say in they under a lot of pressure. True. If you do crime, they go put on for social media. True. You do crime, they'll put on social media. You go wake up, they go curse and say no get all those kind of energy. They come ask and say why in they show off for social media? You just say they show off.
But now the life of any celebrity now part of the that why they call it show business. You must show yourself. You understand? You must show yourself.
Say not they show off. Oh. Say anybody will talk say they show off. Say that person they suffer from low mentality, inferiority complex.
When I leave that thing. The thing is say as celebrity where you be, you must everly encounter some kind of things. All some way we say people always talk about. Now the prize will come with fame be that. You know get how you want to come out time. And the price of fame be that. The money go come, or everything will come. Bad G7 will follow.
Go follow.
So, I mean, at the end of the day, man,
but they can't ask and say why they put in pictures for Instagram and Twitter. He say, he just they put some, say some, he gets some people who say they look up to them as role models. Say, now he be their role models. So
I beg. So more leave the gist, more leave the gist. More leave the gist. Yaya, we don't hear you.
Yaya, my guy.
Yaya, we like you every. We know say all the women that they like your chest, your akpu packs and everything. Don't worry. Even the eyes say we love you so much.
You love, huh? Why you gonna love Yaya? Be man.
No, I say we. I generalize the whole thing as in France. All right, but. Yvonne Nelson.
I like your Nelson. Yvonne Nelson.
Now, the reason why not supposed to use your ex name, they do some kind of things. Person, because you say love, can't use the name, now can't break up.
Now can't break up. Or you can't go using guy tattoo your tattoo.
Anyway, Sha. Okay, quickly, una sabi Daniel Ademinokan. I hope I call him where we be Doris Simeon ex. You know, say they married that year before. But now Daniel and Stella Damascus, and then they run things. People plenty gist still on top the whole level. But recently, one blogger go put up picture of in ex will be Doris with one small pikin. So people gonna talk say nine pikin. So everybody talk, plenty talk they come here and there, think on they vex the guy. All through this time, everybody they hear from Doris' side about their breakup, about everything and waiting happen for their relationship and for their marriage. But nobody don't hear from Daniel's side since. Anytime they ask them the question, they always put on one side because you know how it's a man. I know they're too emotional, they talk up and down, you understand?
Why not they emotional?
But, no, you just talk and say, man, let's say time when you go come voice out to talk to yarn in mind on top of the whole level. This one a drama we don't they unfold small. You know, don't they unfold small. But we go hear the whole gist very, very soon about this Daniel, Doris, and Stella Damascus saga.
Where take us down now? Bloggers, I'm about people.
The story be like Brad Pitt, Angelina Jolie and what's her name again? That chick.
At the end of the day, not concern you. Mind your businesses.
Jennifer Aniston.
I beg you, wanna mind on her business, not to concern now.
Well,
Nonsense.
All right, so we'll get one thing to play, given that like this. So yeah, make we play and sharp, make we see every.
I was appalled at the thing I saw and the images I saw because I don't think people are supposed to operate this way or reason the way certain people reason out there, especially my fellow Nigerians. It's crazy. I saw pictures of somebody there who's a kid, a bit plus size, and the person was with my ex-wife, Doris, and they're saying this is my son, who is clearly dressed in female clothes. And I'm wondering to myself, why would anybody think I would dress my son as a girl? Now, the pictures that you are seeing right now, this picture, this person is definitely not my son, David. I don't know why people will assume that my son will be dressed in female clothes. My son, David, whom I love and cherish so much, I will dress him in hand-me-downs from girls. It's unbelievable that people will even conceive these thoughts. It's crazy.
Okay, so we don't hear from Daniel. You don't talk your own thing now.
See as the guy be one crying when he did talk.
No, he don't pay now. He don't pay now.
Pain enter him kidney.
For the whole thing, we don't know the whole story about this their marriage matter. We break when you come to follow Senator Damascus. But one day, the true story will come out.
Wind go blow. We go see the of the foul.
Okay, at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we go leave yarn the yarn, enter laugh the laugh, where everybody here go the laugh things and every. Okay, so come to my alpha.
Yeah, soon to be husband, that fella.
Yeah, you know, I like the fact that you always stay in the flow. You understand me? Ooh, will they come back? Will they come back?
Det ska vara I blinde. Det ska vara I blinde.
Der, ja. Det greit? Ja. Klar.
Da får du begynne. Ja.
Ferdig. Limbo! Limbo time!
Imagine say that you do this kind of thing.
If I come out,
things when they pass, as they come out your blindfold, you just they look say more. The girl they see. What you do?
I know you're chill now. Your form say nothing. You
didn't move.
But if I catch those guys, if I just come out, I just look around. You know, see that man with like this. I say don't drink, don't drink, don't drink. That video that just to make sure that everybody might just calm down, top the whole level. You understand me now? You get. So we hope I love the video because I love the video.
Myself love the video.
Like a drunken video.
I would like to upload the video one day. Yeah? You know how we do it.
You like doing it?
I'll do that kind of thing one day.
Forget it.
The next time you bring me for this show, I go make sure say I go.
Young girl, you know they come this show again. You know they come this show again.
See you.
You understand me now?
At the end, you go beg me.
You cannot. You cannot.
When my work travel, you go beg me.
When my work, you. See, I rather go employ my grandpapa. No,
your grandpa don't die.
My grandmama don't die.
He don't die.
Somebody else shall go come here, come sit down here, come do something here. But for you, never. All right, maybe we take pictures now on top of the level.
Hey!
Well, now we get sharp eye.
Ogbonge guys go near the screen to see and that's your eye problem.
Sure, you know, say the children them day we do yours get sense.
If not be me go born this guy picking.
If I beat this kind of thing, just leave him for they just turn him back. Carry cane, they flog him. They flog.
Sure, you know say that's the way they talk now. Some people feel sue you on top of that matter.
Come on, see this one. Some children just they this one na waka waka.
Just
the waka.
No, the picking, you go inside washing machine. Don't wash it till finish. Now time to dry.
Now they dry am abi. Oh boy. Now pepper soup be this.
Woman soup. See
but you say the thing go dey.
This thing be like winch meeting. You and your coven people.
Why you go dey think winch or leave?
Because you be winch.
Who be winch?
You be winch zad. Hi, Kai. People they suffer for this life. Oh, Choi.
You go call this one suffer. Now hustle now.
Kai.
I believe in India fit be this so.
I not follow you talk.
If you be Indian now, which one be no follow me talk? What they fear you, sir?
Yeah, well, ontop camel.
This na
Camel wait.
Na bicycle, not be camel.
Na bicycle be that.
Na bicycle. They just put the head of the camel for there, like say na dummy head be that now, not be real head.
I don't like ride this kind of bicycle.
This na invention. Organa waiting.
Waiting for where?
You wear helmet, they peel onions. Okay, that's you know say onions, the pepper eye.
Correct. Maybe
so
onions no enter.
Na invention.
You know, say, you get one guy, naim be our producer, they call him F Young, the guy na Calabar man, he sabi cook. Naim first invented.
How you take no say sabi cook?
Because F Young na Calabar man.
So?
And one day, they invite me come in house.
Hey,
and not be only me go.
Olive,
Not be only me go. Not be
now so you go take they open yourself for the whole world.
Now me with my
you don't show yourself. You and my
me with
now
my
come on there. Come on there.
Now
the line anyhow. Oh. So you don't waka this waka like this. You know make pium. You go come back.
Now they tarnish my image. Now my producer invite me.
Now you open your mouth talk now. Now me talk about myself. You say you invite you come out come chop food. Which kind of food you go chop?
Our invite us come shop.
Who?
Our guy will get this company. If
now
he does,
us.
He invite us.
Now us, he invite us. We plenty. You say only you.
Yes, you not be only me. Now me with my
F-Young.
Hey, this guy they like Port Harcourt boys.
Correct.
Port Harcourt boys.
F-Youngzy, correct. Okay. Any food where you go chop. All right, I'm going to jam us on top Twitter at Wazobia PADI PADI. At Wazobia PADI PADI. Go there, go follow us here this morning. Make we hear from all of you now. How now see this my person may come sit down close to me like this. We're bringing you plenty love all the way from Mayowa and every.
Oh, yes.
But on top of the whole level, we don't forget now new week be this. Don't let's give them one kind of advice. Not they blink eye like this. Not they.
You know whether my future husband did they look.
Forget it. Say how they sell market now. So you go here sell market now.
Of course, anywhere that they sell market.
All right, but quickly, but make it just make sure say you not carry the right frame of mind for the whole week. Always they think positive things because not only that way now you go take attract positive things to your own life. If they think bad, now bad go they happen. But if they reason good things, it go happen to you. Like the Holy Book TikTok make you the reason good things.
I like what this guy did. You say be pastor.
Now. So on top of the level, ladies and gentlemen, Olive, any last word before we come on?
Oh yeah, so now give them word for the day.
We know they give them word for the day today.
I won't give them word for the day.
No word for the day. We don't finish the show for today. All right.
Word for the day now lem. To let me say to go show.
We not give word for the day. We know they do that one again. You know they do slow motion things.
Ogbonge, may we go lem.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, for here we say bye bye to all of you.
Yes.
God bless you. Bye bye.